Hi, Merry Meet. Happy November, everyone. Why I am so happy about November? Because after November, it will be December, and after December, it will be January. And January 2016 is the month of coming home. That's why I am so happy about it. But today is also the first Wednesday of November, and we are going in our peace sweeping activity today. We are going to have a healing session. So please join me and let us pray for healing to everyone. Okay? Today, in our peace weaving activity, we are going to have a healing session. But before that, let us know what is the meaning of healing, or what does to be healed mean. So, healing is a process of removing blockages, obstacles, and limitation in achieving our life purpose. It is a process of making well those who are suffering from illness holistically. That is on the physical, which is the body, psychological, emotional, social, and even spiritual. Healing is derived from the root word to heal, or H-E-A-L, which Webster Universal Dictionary defines as to make or become healthy, to cure, to repair by natural process. So, in our shrine in Luntiang Agama, we define the word heal through its acronym, or by the letters on its word. So it has 4 letters: H, which we define as to harmonize or to put things in pleasing order. E means enhance or to increase in value, importance, or attractiveness. And E can also be known as to energize, or meaning to fill with energy or the ability to do work, to invigorate, to refresh. A means to activate or to make active or set in motion, and L, life force, or this is the characteristic that make us alive. So every one of us has life. Life is what characterizes our existence. It is the opposite of death or non-living. And with life, there is action, movement, and motion. It is also with life we grow and reproduce. And life is a sacred gift that everyone receives from the divine. And with this life, we live. And I think and I believe that the purpose of life is to live. But in life, there comes a time that we are not well. So that feeling is called illness. So illness is a condition that limits man in enjoying life and accomplishing life purpose. It is a condition of dis-ease or disease and hardship. A condition that afflicts not only the physical body but also emotionally, psychologically, socially, and spiritually. That's why we need to heal, to remove the dis-ease and hardship in our life. In maintaining illness and wellness, that signifies our health. So health is the condition of life within an individual. If a certain individual is achieving life purpose without limitation, that person is achieving positive health or wellness. While on the other hand, if an individual is suffering and find hardship all the time, that individual is suffering from negative health or illness. Positive health or wellness is achieved in the absence of illness. That is, there is no presence of limitation, obstacles, or blockages in achieving life purpose in living. When illness is present in our life, that is our action is limited, obstructed, or blocked in accomplishing our life purpose, that is the time we need to be healed. So right now, we are going to have a session, a healing session, to obtain positive health and to restore peace in our lives. Before we proceed to our healing session, I have to tell you first the steps we need to go through in order to be healed. The first steps towards healing is acknowledgement. What do we need to acknowledge? We need to acknowledge our need of healing, which means we need also acknowledge that we are sick and have illness. As human being, we are made of our body, and our body has limitations, and that limitations bring us dis-ease in our living. So we have to acknowledge also our limitation. The second step towards healing is acceptance. Most people doesn't receive healing because they deny the fact that they need to be healed. In order for the individual to be healed is that aside from acknowledgement, they also need to accept the fact that they need help to be healed. You need to accept the fact that you are a person with a body, and our body has limitations. The third step towards healing is to be cleansed. Cleansing means removing obstacles and limitation for the easy flow of healing energies. In cleansing process, this might require also of working out or stretching ourselves from our own limitations. So cleansing process varies from needs of individual to individual. So cleansing might require only stretching from limitation or totally removal of obstacles. And the last step toward healing is to activate the healing force that you have received by maintaining it into our lives. So with these words, you are now ready for our healing session. Today, we acknowledge the presence of great power in the universe. We acknowledge the presence of this great power who is beyond the physical description with words and expression. We acknowledge the presence of this great power as the author of life and existence of all beings. We acknowledge the presence of this great power in our life now. We acknowledge that as a living being, we are made with a physical body that has limitation. We accept this fact that we are human being that has limitation. By this acceptance, we invite the presence of the great power in the universe to work in our lives. We accept the working of this great power in cleansing us from all our impurities and uncleanliness that makes us suffer. We accept the work of healing by the great power in our lives. And with this power, we are healed now. By the great power in the universe, with the amazing works of healing into our lives, we take effect of this healing right now and we are healed. We seal this work of healing into our lives with full gratitude. And it is so, mayari na pag-asa natin.